Hello, how are you all? In the last video we left here. Today we are going to make a new Scribe video, and today we are again using morph effect, morph animation style. Okay, so add new image. We are adding some image. Let's add this car. I'm adding this car and I will apply morph effect on this. I'm resizing it, and let's suppose I am placing it here. This car is placed here, and go to set camera to current position. It's a must. Set camera and then go to element properties. Click on it, and I want like this. I want to set animation time of 3 seconds, and then pause time and transition time half and half seconds. Now at this moment I'm leaving it as full color, but whenever we apply morph, we try to choose the outlines. Why is that? I will show this you in a moment. Okay, let's leave it for this moment as full color. Okay, select OK. Now I will go add a new image and select car again. I'm resizing it, and this time I am making it a little big, that it is coming from far and towards us. I'm setting camera, set camera to current position, and click on element properties. I want it to morph from the last car that we have added in our video Scribe, and I am selecting time of 3 seconds to animate and half second for a pause time and transition time. You can set any time that you would like to add for your animation. Okay, and this is simple procedure to add morph. Now let's have a look from here and play from current element. I will preview it. It gets drawn and it will go from here to here. Now you see that it was drawn as colored, then while going from here to here, it turned to outline forms. So that's why whenever we place we want to use morph effect, so we go and select outlines for the first image. Now it will go look good. Click on it and have a preview. Now you see it gets drawn and directly goes from here to here, and at the end it will get colored. So this is much better than the previous one, that it gets colored and then goes to outline form and then comes here. So this is a simple procedure to apply morph in video Scribe. If you have any question, please let us know in the comment. We will try to make video on that topic for you.